it's like a good start for the team. I love the way he played, he dark, and the way last time you come out because I must have played a couple of good strokes. And how do you feel? Because you know Sri Lanka you've got likes of Shabir Nawaz, Mutayam Muridharan, and to cope these bowlers, that's something incredible from your side. Yeah, so when you kill the young one, the offside, and also the left turn, so we just played to our basics, and we really hope you best with that other match which is coming in the 2023 that we are on. A good side to the big World Cup here, and we need to see, we can all see that guys just having a party session there. I can see practically the Bolton champions, so we need to all draw all that tonight. Next comes is MS Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra, what was that? Either 4 gallons of milk or something else, because the way he was smacking the ball, that all gallons of power, I think you were just mesmerizing it to show from you. What do you take on that? Yeah, obviously when you got batsmen like Gautam during the top orders, and you see the team just performing. There have been a bunch of players who perform outside India. Means you've got such players that they can any play, any time can perform. Yeah, obviously when you got UV in the middle order and the way the things have been going from the team, it's quite incredible. And always I see, and the last time the way he can't perform, the last log over, he just gave, I think 5 overs, he gave just 25 to 30 runs. What do you take on that? Yeah, obviously he's been a trump card for the team, and the way he just bowls at the net, couple of good Yorkers from his side, so that really helps the team. So it's just the young generation, the young guys just playing so superb for the team. So we'll be hoping that the winning momentum just continues in the coming matches. Thanks, Ravi. And comes next is my personal favorite, that's Sonu Nigam. सोनू, आप ही का ये सॉन्ग गाया था यहाँ पे गाया इंडियन आइडल में, तो मुझे लगता है आपको कुछ कहना है इस सॉन्ग के बारे में। सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत अच्छा आपने परफॉर्म किया। और जहाँ तक म्यूजिकल चीज़ों की यहाँ पे बात होती है, आप जहाँ तक यहाँ पे इंडियन आइडल तक आए हैं, बहुत लंबा सफ़र होता है। एंड आई थिंक किसी भी सिंगर के लिए यहाँ पे आना, it's always doing हमारे यहाँ पे तो नहीं था। I was from सारेगामा, so उस टाइम तक कंपटीशन था। अब कंपटीशन बहुत बढ़ चुका है और यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं चलेगा, because आपने गाना गाया है, that's heads up to that, because the song you choose was something very tough composition. और जब मैंने भी गाना गाया था, I was like कि once Sonu is alive and once he is dead. तो लेकिन मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि जहाँ पे आपकी गलतियाँ थी। First of all, जहाँ पे आप गा रहे थे, you were singing like this. जब ट्रैक चलेगा तो I will tell you, you were singing flat. You were singing दीवाना तेरा तुझे ही बुलाए, ये मर्जी तेरी तू आए ना आए। आपने कभी बचपन में पता पढ़ाई है? When you hold a kite, so you need to just pull up the string also. तो खींचने पड़ते हैं chords, सुर को खींचना पड़ता है, तो जैसा होना चाहिए था गाना, that should be like this. दीवाना तेरा तुझे ही बुलाए, ये मर्जी तेरी तू आए ना आए। Now there's one comparison between one of the songs, it's in the YouTube, between Atif and Sonu Nigam, that's चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को. So once Atif will be singing, then it will be followed by Sonu. सजाऊंगा लुट कर बेते बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर खा दूंगा हंस लबों की नाली को। सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर खा दूंगा हंसी लबों की नाली को। सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की डाली को। सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दुबों की माली को है वफा क्या, इस जहां को एक दिन दिखलाऊंगा मैं दीवाना चुरा लिया। है वफा क्या, इस जहां को एक दिन दिखलाऊंगा मैं दीवाना चुरा लिया। चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम। हो बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी भी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम। Next comes is Ricky Ponting. On the next presentation, I would like to call the winning skipper Ricky Ponting. Ricky, you won the toss and India won the toss, and you elected to field first. India elected to field first, and you're winning against the India by 125 runs. What do you take on that? Yeah, first of all, Indian Detroit, he's like, come to his stamp and he gets an outlet and it was a pretty fun, just a good show, 141 deliveries, and really huge sixes from my side. And the way Australian team batted, I think the last 10 overs it was 120 around runs. Did you think that we would be getting 360 here again? No, we are just wanting the match, and really hoping for the best, and we get to near about 350 runs in the side, because India always had a good batting on it. Whom do you think was the toughest batsman to bowl in the Indian team? And his presence can anytime can take match point away from you. Yeah, obviously he's the master blaster Tendulkar, the way he improvises. He's an outstanding batsman of all three. And that was just taking on the very first dance. We just we're hoping that Tendulkar just goes around the very first toss. And once he goes, India to drink, recover and launch. Well, like a victory of 105 runs is already in the World Cup, so we hope to just take over winning momentum in the upcoming matches in this 23. Thanks, Robbie. Next is Inzamam Ulaq. इनसे आज आप यहाँ पे टॉस जीते और पहले बैटिंग करा और बहुत अच्छा मैच जीते यहाँ पे लाहौर पे, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे? हम सबसे पहले बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, थैंक इंशाल्लाह गॉड की बहुत अच्छा मैच और सपोर्टर्स ने बहुत अच्छा साथ दिया। और जहाँ तक कि भारतीय बैटिंग लाइनअप का सवाल होता है बहुत और जैसे कि आज शोएब और शमी ने शुरुआती झटके दिए जिससे कि भारतीय टीम बन नहीं पाई। एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स इंशाल्लाह गॉड के अगला मैच जो पेशावर में वो भी हम जीते हैं। थैंक्स रावी। Then comes my personal favorite, that's Tony Greig. Oh, he can't strike you to the run. You see that goal, that's gone, they did the right. He hit that storm, the covers. Oh, goodness me, he's one of the spectacular batsmen in the world cricket. Oh, now the ball, he digs into the high, could be gone, it's gone. That's gone, he can't, those skies. Incredible talent. The ball wanted the offside. Oh goodness, we don't bowl him here. He actually is trying to beat and drink for run this air. That's one bounce of the rope. Oh no, the ball is a guy can be gone. That's out, pat, gone. That tall is top and right this air. Just taking 20 runs from this over. What will be next? Bradley to save up the ball him up. Bradley taking the revenge in the fifth ball. Rinsing the Yorker 159 per 8 k's per hour. We're in this air having no runs whatsoever. And that's the end of Sehwag. Dangerous inning, and there is a dangerous play. He goes India in big trouble. That's all.